Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pin a message in WhatsApp group, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our WhatsApp, and I'm gonna be going and creating a group. First of all, tap on this plus icon, a new group. I'm gonna choose a person, tap on next, and the group has been created. Now if I want to simply type in a message and would like to pin it, then I'm going to simply go ahead, long press on the message, tap on more, and tap on pin. I'm going to choose the period, how long I would like it to be. I can make it 30 days, and there you go, the message has been pinned and it will be visible to all of the group members. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.